Welcome back to Quiz Safari! Before starting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting videos like this! Let's start!
Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. A. Mars. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Leopard. B. Lion. What is the national currency of the United Kingdom? A. Euro. B. Dollar. C. Pound sterling. C. Pound sterling. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. A. Africa. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide.
Who invented the light bulb? A. Isaac Newton. B. Thomas Edison. C. Galileo. B. Thomas Edison. Which is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. B. Blue whale. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? A. France. B. Canada. C. Germany. A. France. Which is the fastest bird in the world? A. Eagle. B. Falcon. C. Sparrow. B. Falcon. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? A. Brain. B. Lungs. C. Heart. C. Heart.
Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Vatican City. C. Maldives. B. Vatican City. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? A. Diwali. B. Christmas. C. Holi. C. Holi. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Mercury. B. Earth. C. Saturn. A. Mercury. Which is the national sport of India? A. Hockey. B. Cricket. C. Baseball. A. Hockey. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens. B. William Shakespeare. Mark Twain. B. William Shakespeare. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? A. Arctic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury. B. Iron. C. Silver. A. Mercury. Which is the largest continent by population? A. Europe. B. Asia. C. Africa. B. Asia. Which country is famous for pyramids? A. Egypt. B. Brazil. C. Italy. A. Egypt. What is the capital city of South Korea? A. Seoul. B. Tokyo. C. Bangkok. A. Seoul. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin B12. B. Vitamin D. Which is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Camel. C. Giraffe. C. Giraffe. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Speedometer. B. Thermometer. Which is the national flower of Japan? A. Lotus. B. Tulip. C. Cherry blossom. C. Cherry blossom. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. Thailand. B. Japan. Which is the largest bird in the world? A. Ostrich. B. Peacock. C. Penguin. A. Ostrich. Which scientist discovered gravity? A. Albert Einstein. B. Isaac Newton. Nikola Tesla. B. Isaac Newton. Which planet has rings around it?
A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Saturn. C. Saturn. Which country hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? A. China, B. Brazil, C. Russia. B. Brazil. Which language has the most native speakers in the world? A. English, B. Hindi, C. Mandarin Chinese. C. Mandarin Chinese.